morning. My name is Ruth Moram. This is part 4. So, I was disfellowshipped out of hand because I did not attend the judicial hearing. The accusation was slander. Now, no announcement was made because I telephoned the branch office. And they said to me, please do not go to court, have an appeal committee. They will help you. But there were things they didn't tell me about the appeal committee. So I went to the appeal committee hearing, and there was a surprise waiting for me. There were 7 men there. That's 3 of the appeal committee and 4 from the original committee. I, of course, was not allowed to bring anybody to help me, especially not a lawyer. As things proceeded, I realized that the appeal committee had already made up their minds as to my guilt, but I didn't know how this had happened. I discovered how it had happened in 2011, and I'm going to show you now the Elder's book, and this is discussing procedures regarding the appeal committee, and it states the judicial committee that heard the original case should be present at the appeal hearing. Prior to the appeal hearing, the original committee should furnish the appeal committee with the completed S77 and S79 forms, along with whatever written records it has from the first hearing. Now this prejudices the appeal committee, so this is an unfair procedure, and because in Ireland there is now a court order which tells Watchtower that they must use fair procedures, this is now unlawful. Whether they will change it or not, I don't know, but I want to make this as public as possible. So, proceeding to the appeal hearing, it became obvious to me that because the judicial hearing, the first judicial committee, had not investigated thoroughly, they had jumped to a false conclusion and they made up their minds on false accusations. Now, the problem was that because these men had already made up their minds as to my guilt before hearing from me, nothing I said made any difference. So, of course, I was disfellowshipped again, but once again, no announcement was made because I telephoned the branch office. And in the following weeks, I sent the branch office evidence that I was not guilty, and the branch office told the appeal committee that I was not to be disfellowshipped. However, that was not the end of the matter completely. For further stories, thank you so much for watching.